Hi, okay, good day to you and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you this strategy on trading view. Okay, let me say this is a strategy I saw somewhere. I'd like to share it with people on my channel. First and foremost, I'd like to warn that this channel, this strategy will not produce many signals, but it will produce very accurate signals. Okay, you may not see a lot of signals on this strategy, but the few ones you see will give you a lot of pips and a lot of accuracy. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so there are two indicators on this strategy on trading view. You see this is 15 minutes chart on GBP/USD. I'm going to change that to another currency pair in a moment, so that you know that it works across. We have this indicator Argo Alpha zero lag signals by Argo Alpha. Okay, to get that you just click indicators and type. Okay, you click. Okay, go to just go to indicators, type zero lag signals. You choose the one. Let me do that so that you see. Okay, zero lag. Okay, this is it. Zero lag signals by Argo Alpha. That's the one you choose. Okay, this particular indicator gives you some likely reversal points. Okay, you see these here, you see these here. These are likely reversal points, and after it does that, it also gives you points of entry after retracement. You see this? Okay, it retraces. Okay, you see this? It retraces. It comes here again. Okay, come again, here again. So this is another reversal point. Okay, then if price retraces into the box, this blue box or this red box, it will give you another entry for that. Okay, now about these, you need a lot of filters to get the very accurate entry. Accurate signals. Okay, one of those such filters is actually this time frame. Okay, if you want to use this signal alone, you can actually wait for when you have an entry. Ensure that all these time frames agree with that direction. Then you can go in. You can have some good one. So if you do that, you're going to have stop loss here. Then take profit 1.5. Okay, so you can do that. Then. But this strategy I want to teach, okay, like I said, this strategy is quite effective. Okay, very effective, but you won't see a lot of signals. And this is the strategy. Okay, I have a filter for that strategy. It's called Momentum Buyers Index, also by Argo Alpha. Okay, so when you see your entry, when you have your entry, the filter, for instance, for buy, okay, you need to have this green bar above the line, the dotted lines. Okay, then if you enter, then you see it goes way up. Okay, it goes way up there. Okay, the same thing happened here. Okay, the signal, then have the green line, the red line above the dotted line. Okay, then enter, it comes way down. Now, so if you want to do that, ensure that it's not more than, like, this is 15 minutes more. It cannot not be anything more than 7 to 10 bars after the entry. Okay, so the signal after the entry signal. I mean, this is entry signal. Then you have this one happen here. Okay, then it comes way down. Like I said, not many signals, but when you have that, it's the accuracy is quite high. Okay, let me change this to another currency pair. For instance, let me use GBP JPY. Okay, if I use that, okay, let's see if you can get that kind of entry. Okay, I've seen one right away. Mind you, this 15 minutes chart. Okay, you have entry here, then you have the blue within range, this blue bar closing above the dotted line, then it goes way up. Okay, so it goes up, your stop loss is here, your stop loss is there, then that's more than 2 to 1 ratio. Okay, I want to see if I have another one. So like I said, it's not going to be many signals, but you're going to have, when you find it, okay, this one I won't enter now because this is below the dotted line. I won't enter, and I can't just be entering it because it's so far away from entry. Okay, so anytime I have this signal, it's actually quite very good, nice trade. So of course you can't have a 100% win rate for any strategy, but this one I guarantee can give you 95%, 90% win rate. Very effective. Now the problem with this is you can't wait. You may not be able to wait for this to happen, or you don't know when it happens. You miss a lot of signals. So I have a solution to that. I can send you an email when this happens across 6 or 7 currency pairs. Okay, so I'll send you an email. You're going to have, our system will send you an email that this formation has happened and this combination has happened, and you can enter your trade. So you receive entry signal. Okay, you can come and check if you like to confirm the signal or confirm what the alert says. Okay, so you have like up to 10-15 alerts in a day across 3 strategies. This is one of such strategies. Okay, and every alert will carry a tag of the strategy where it comes from. Okay, so if you want to partake, you want to be a part of that particular email alerts system, okay, you can click the link below and find out how you can be a part of it. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.